This is the third time that actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been summoned to appear before the Enforcement Directorate in the Panama Papers case to record her statement. The ED has registered a money laundering case in the matter, and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's name has featured in the list of 500 Indians who were mentioned in the Panama Papers. Aishwarya Rai is facing allegations of illegally stashing wealth abroad. According to Enforcement Directorate sources, an offshore company named Amic Partners was incorporated in the British Virgin Islands in 2004 with Aishwarya Rai as director. The ED asked Ash what association she has with this company, how her family is linked to the company. She was asked why the company became inactive in 2008 and whether she had sought permissions from the RBI for financial transactions. So the Panama Papers refer to the 11.5 million leaked documents which were encrypted and confidential. And the leak exposed the financial details of over 2 lakh offshore entities. The leaked documents were originally obtained by a German newspaper and were published in April 2016. Now, they point towards fraud and tax evasion by high-profile individuals, among others, and corporate entities across the world. At least 12,000 of these documents are linked to people of Indian origin. The report suggested that as many as 426 Indians are under scrutiny by the multi-agency group which has been set up by the central government. Now, the leaked documents definitely included the name of famous actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan for having secretive offshore financial dealings. Now, it's because of this that the ED has been sending her summons. Now, she's not the only one on the list. Along with her, Amitabh Bachchan was also a name which featured on this list. DLF Group's KP Singh, along with 9 members of his family, Jehangir Sorabji, the son of former Attorney General Soli Sorabji, politicians like Shishir Bajoria and Anurag Kejriwal, who is the former Delhi Lok Satta party leader, Naveen Mehra of Mehra Sons Jewellers, and Hajra Iqbal Memon, wife of underworld don Iqbal Mirchi. Now, it's not just these names. Actor Abhishek Bachchan was also recently summoned by the ED for questioning. The summons to Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have been sent under the Foreign Exchange Management Act of 1999. Black money of over 1,000 crores has been detected after probing into the leaks of the Panama Papers. And as far as the Panama Papers case is concerned, a special investigation team is looking into it, and this team consists of members from the Enforcement Directorate, from the Income Tax Department and other agencies.